Hi guys, today I'm going to make it short and sweet. I get this delivered today. I got it off of Esty Mystery Makeup Bag. I never opened it before. This is my first time opening it on camera. Ooh, let's see, there's a nice pretty ring in there. And a thank you card for supporting my small business. A box for every moment shared by every special occasion. Let's see. I got this matte lip liqueur from Broadway Colors. It's pink drop. I get this Broadway Colors Color Corrector Face Primer. It says peach. I got this Broadway Colors Brow Kit. And last but not least, it came in this little thingy. Okay. Broadway Colors Contour Artist Cream. Has different colors in it. Well, and that's all I just paid $10 for it. That's all I got for a mystery. To be honest, I don't think it's worth it. But in the description below, I will link the shop. Maybe if someone else freaking buys from it and they do a video, they can freaking say what they got from them. Well, hopefully you can hear me in this one. I did talk pretty loud. But anyway, if you can or if you want to, comment, give a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And that's all for this video. I told you it was going to be short and sweet. Well, anyway, take care guys. Bye. Peace.